We will be creating references in two different ways. Welcome to the world of holistic efficient solutions. As always, this video is uncut. We start from scratch, starting slowly. We will add one more field. We will enter some small little data to play with. We will remove the dummy record and we will take field names, proper field names from the first record. We will give this table a proper name and have a look in there. Looks fine. Now let's add another table and let's call that quarters, and in there let's rename the first field also to quarter, and then let's add a couple more, and this is just the usual Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, and that's the way this table looks like. Now we go back to where we started, and now we add a reference to the quarter table. The field that we'll be referencing in the base, we also call it quarter. We reference to the table quarters, and in there the field quarter. Now that's the way it looks like, and in there we can enter Q3, Q2, Q2, Q1, whatever we like. And in there we do have the quarters inside. Now this is sort of backwards because first we had to create the quarters table in order to be able to reference to it. So sort of backwards. We can also do it the other way around, which is in some cases maybe easier. So we could, for example, choose the project field and just say we want to factor that out in a new table that's called projects, and the field, the new field we call project, and we just confirm, and then all of those regular user fields now turn into reference fields, and also the project shows up as a reference, pretty much as it's now the case with quarters as well. So this is sort of the forward way, if you like to call it like that. In effect, it's completely indifferent with the way you do it. At the end, it's all the same. We, in both cases, created an outward references out of the base table, once to the quarters and once to the projects. So it's just for ease of creating it, depending on your data. They're absolutely equivalent. And of course, there's more to embrace, but that'll be another story.